What's it all about? Yes, indeed. You going back for your third camera replacement? That's not good if asked. Well, let me just give you a little talk. The sun is over there facing in this way, and I'm doing a car vlog. I always know when I have my camera next to a windshield, it acts as a diaphragm. So, hey, how do I sound to you? I'm yelling quite loud to the camera. The sun's behind me, so I still should be pretty bright, nice and comfortable. It's not all about video, and that's why I did a yell test in the car. Well, how do I look to you? Because looking through the 1-point-something inch screen, how many DPI is it? 100, 200, 1 million, 1 billion? What about the back screen? Do I look in focus? Do I not look in focus? I'll tell you what, I don't think we use our cameras like this and constantly move it around because we get people seasick. Finally, after like 7 videos later, the quick snap goes on. I'm not a fan of DJI if it cannot work 100%. I'm not a fan of GoPro, the same, if it cannot work 100%. So we all got something to complain about. Video quality, yes, that's primary of the camera. Audio, secondary. It's not important because we can always hook up any external audio that DJI allows us today with an external USB-C adapter that we don't have. So any USB-C microphone should work. Some, not all, but most. Yes, we want to have a camera that doesn't have a focus issue, but not all of us have a focus issue. So what has happened with DJI? They got a camera that has some focus issues, and they got cameras that have some good, perfect video. And that we have no control of. Everyone who gets a DJI, they're just gonna go shoot video, go back to their computer or mobile phone, and they're gonna say, hey, that video don't look good. Something's not right. And what they go do is they go on a forum, they start to, make a comment, a post, a topic. And sure enough, there's a lot of people out there with issues. Yes, DJI made a camera that should work. And if it works for you, then you should be happy. If it doesn't work for you, then you get with DJI and get a return going. Let me tell you, it doesn't matter which company's out there. They're not going to tell you, well, we got a camera and our camera works. And I'll tell you what, sorry, we're not going to refund you. No, that's not the way DJI's working. They will reach out to you and make sure they make you a customer. Now, I like my DJI camera, people. And I know What's It All About likes his DJI camera, but when it comes to Christmas time, right? And you want to give somebody a gift, and it's got an issue, you're not going to make that kid, adult, or child happy if there is issues, right? You want to make sure you got a good product, and that's what we're here about. Now, think about this before you make a jump. DJI's $329 retail on sale. They may have a Black Friday product and it may be down $25, but online, anywhere else, it's $329. The killer is GoPro Hero 11 is the price of a Hero 10, $399.99. How sweet is that? $75. Whoops, I'm sorry. $69.99 more. What do you get for $70 more? You get spot metering, exposure lock on the back of the camera. You get a different type of field of view. You get different levels of hyper smooth. You get different levels in everything else of the camera. You get 10-bit on the spot. DJI, you're going to wait and wait and wait. But it's free for firmware. But what if it doesn't come to firmware? The things you want? You're not going to be happy. I'm talking schmack, good and bad DJI. I'm happy with my camera because I did not pay full retail value. I only paid under $100. The camera works. I have difficulties in my hand pressing a button. I cannot press that button for beans. Imagine I put a glove on dead of winter. Goodbye, DJI. I can't use you. You're useless on a hard button press. Sun is coming in this way, towards my left. And DJI, I did a time lapse. It's on here, watching the guy chop his tree down. And you can see the clouds rolling. And all of a sudden, where's the depth in the video? Well, DJI, you need to be a little bit more colorful. I love the colors of DJI, but I don't love it all the time. And I guess I'm spoiled with the GoPro. But does it make me want to go get another GoPro? It sure does! How ruined is this shot right here? Right here. That's ruined. I know to hold the camera away from the sun, but when you have to make a point to some people or just to the world, how does my shot look? Do I look like I'm all outside? Hell yeah! I was shooting on ultra wide. How the heck did that happen? I guess when I set my webcam up and I changed it to ultra wide, it remembered that setting on the video. How sweet is that? I wonder the next time a camera is made and they make a super duper hard button, maybe they'll put a little thing in there that you can pump air. So this way when you tap it, it will make that button press. Or take the air out so you can make it softer. And maybe that'll stop the people complaining about, oh, I want to take my camera underwater. Because now everybody's got a hard button press. No one complains. Not a single soul. It is what it is. It is what it is. Hey, Fish, hold the camera straight. Well, it is what it is. I said my piece. I said my talk. And I hope what's it all about. You get a perfect working camera. You're not happy. You got a refund there. You got that GoPro Hero 11. Use that instead. It's going to make videos. It's going to do the job. And I would not worry about it. On that note, I'm Fish, ladies and gentlemen. Tell down below what's it all about.